kindcolor.com is marketed as an online store offering creative painting supplies and unique tools designed to make painting more enjoyable. But the real question is, does Kind Color offer genuinely useful art products, or is it just another average online art store? Now, to be fair, there is nothing wrong with buying art supplies online. Many artists discover useful tools, specialty brushes, and beginner-friendly kits through smaller e-commerce stores. What it does well, offers products that appeal to hobby artists. The store focuses on creative supplies that may attract beginners and casual painters looking for something different. Can be convenient for finding niche items. Some products may be harder to find in local craft stores, making online shopping attractive. Where the hype falls apart, the products may not be as unique as advertised. This is the biggest issue. Many online art stores sell similar products that can often be found on larger marketplaces. Quality can vary between items. As with many e-commerce stores, some products may perform better than others depending on the supplier. Professional artists may want higher-end tools. Serious painters often prefer established art brands with proven quality and consistency. So, is kindcolor.com worth buying from? Short answer. It may offer useful painting supplies for hobbyists, but there is little evidence that the products are significantly more unique than what is available elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.